How moist does that look? Unneeded innuendo. Grilled chops, so moist they should be illegal. Vulgar! To grill pork chops, we need chops. So guess what? I dropped into Gippsland Premium Meats and said, "What up?" And Mick, my butcher, looked at me like I'd lost the plot and said, "Here's the chops that you ordered." Now I prefer to trim off any excess fat off my pork chops. Lucky for me, my butcher Mick has looked after me and pre-trimmed these ones for me. I just like to place them on a wire rack and give them a light coating of kosher salt. Don't forget to flip them and do the other side. Why, I hear you ask? Because we're going to give these chops a quick dry brine for about an hour. This will do a few things. The salt will draw out and absorb some moisture from the outer of the chops. The salt will then dissolve and be drawn back into the chops to help season them. Plus, by dry brining, we're ensuring that these chops will stay moist while grilling them. Smart! An hour down and we can finish prepping these chops for the grill. Wipe them down with a paper towel and then coat with a little olive oil. And then give them a quick sprinkle with some black pepper and some garlic granules. And then pop them aside while we get the barbecue ready. And when I say we, I mean me, because you're not doing anything to help. Today, I'm going to be using a 57cm Weber kettle and I'm pairing it up with a couple of charcoal baskets. Why? Because I want to be setting up with dual zone cooking today. And how I'll do that is by 3/4 filling a chimney starter with lumped charcoal, lining it up. Once it's fully ashed over, I'll grab the 2 charcoal baskets, place them on one side of the charcoal grate and dump it in. Then place the grill back in. Then pop the lid back on, making sure all the vents are wide open. And just give the grill 10 minutes to warm up. Today I'm cooking with a dual zone cooking setup, and all up these chops are going to take around 10 minutes to cook to an internal temp of 63 degrees Celsius. Or for those of you who like to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. Now would be a good time to subscribe to my channel, and while you're there, hit that bell button. That bell button will allow you to be notified every time I twirl my tongs. The grill is hot, it's time to get the chops on. Just pop the chops directly over the charcoal and we're going to set a timer for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, we're just going to flip the chops over. Total time over the direct heat is 4 minutes. What we can do now is move the chops over to the cooler zone and we're just going to monitor the temp until it reaches 63 degrees Celsius internally. And just pop the lid back on. Total cook time will depend on how thick your chops are. Guess what? If you said the chops are ready, that's great. That means you've remembered why we're here and you haven't abused the beer timer. So we're just going to get them off the heat and we're going to give them 5 minutes to chill before you shove them in your face hole. 5 minutes is enough time to fit in another beer. Oh, look at that. How moist does that look? As always, cheers for watching.